Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for making a logo easily. First, head over to Canva's website and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, search for logo in the design templates to get started with the perfect canvas size. Canva offers thousands of professional templates, giving you a fantastic starting point for your brand's visual identity. It's a straightforward process to begin your creative journey. Now, let's personalize your logo. Browse through the vast template library and pick one that truly resonates with your brand's vision. You can easily change colors to match your palette, select from hundreds of fonts for your text, and swap out elements to make it uniquely yours. If you have specific images or icons, you can upload them directly, giving you complete creative control over your design. Next, it's time to add your brand's name and a memorable tagline. Canva provides a wide array of font styles to choose from, ensuring your text stands out. Dive into the extensive library of graphic elements, shapes, and icons to enhance your design. You can adjust the size, rotate, and even change the transparency of any component, allowing for precise control and a polished, professional look. Finally, once your logo is perfect, it's time to download it. Canva allows you to save your logo in high-resolution formats like PNG for transparent backgrounds or JPG for web use. A transparent background is crucial for placing your logo seamlessly on different materials. Now, you can confidently use your brand new logo across all your social media, website, and marketing materials, maintaining a consistent brand image.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.